So we're going to make smoked salmon cream cheese bagel, very simple. Bagels, lots of different types. So plain, sesame like I'm using today, onion. Do you toast it, do you not toast it? Some people love toasting it, I don't. Philadelphia cheese, nice cream spread cheese there. Lemon juice, of course our smoked salmon, little bit of dill. We can be adding cucumber or some lettuce or a rocket or something like that. Touch of black pepper, that's about it. Super easy. So like I say, some people love to cut them open like that and then toast them inside there. For me, I prefer it just like that. Your choice. So I've got some cream cheese on the bottom layer. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of dill in there, which I love. That's already looking fantastic. Now what I like to do with my salmon, some people just put their smoked salmon in there now. What I like to do is, in a little bowl, plenty of black pepper, and then I squeeze a lemon on it here. Just give that a little mix, and then I place it in. Okay, so as you saw, salmon in, lemon, black pepper. I like to do it like that. Now we decide what else we want to put in there. So let's go with, on this one we'll put some cucumber. Some people put capers in this as well. On this one we'll put some onion, sliced onion, and a little bit of rocket. I'll just break this in there. And if you want, get some more cream cheese on the top there, or a little bit of olive oil maybe, or even some lemon juice, up to you. I like it just like that personally. On they go, job done. See you later.